today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Viber no connection problem. So basically, this problem arises due to your network problem. So make sure that your internet connection is stable and is not slow. So if your internet connection is stable and not slow, and if you still have this problem, then basically it could be because of like a network problem of your phone. So for that, you can just simply turn on your airplane. And after turning on your airplane mode, wait for some time, like 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn it off again. What this is gonna do is it's gonna, again reset your network problem issue, and then it should fix it. But if it still doesn't fix it, other thing you can do is hold on Viber icon and click on app info. And after clicking on app info, it's gonna take you to Viber's, all the setting over here, like permission, data usage, storage usage. Over here, click on storage usage, and on storage usage, click on clear data and click on clear. What this is gonna do is this is basically gonna reset like Viber. It's gonna clear all the data and cache stored in the Viber. And the other thing you can do is go on permission, make sure all your permission over here is turned on, and after all your permission over here is turned on, go on data usage status, and on data usage status, click on network permission. Make sure it is selected on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure it is selected in this. If it is selected in Wi-Fi or close, make sure to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. And after selecting Wi-Fi and mobile data, go back and enter Viber again. If you enter Viber again, you need to relog in into your Viber because you just cleared the data. So relog into your Viber and it should probably fix your problem. But if it still doesn't fixes the problem, then just delete Viber and install it again. That should fix it. And yeah, the other thing is just restart your phone. Sometimes there's a problem with your phone and restarting it could fix it as well. Try restarting your phone as well. It like rarely fixes it, but there's like a 50% chance of it fixing it. So just restart your phone to see if it fixes it or not.